Hey everyone! If you're running a website or blog and trying to monetize it, you've probably heard of Google AdSense and Media, net. But which one actually makes you more money? Which one is easier to use? And most importantly, which one should you choose in 2026? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know, so hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and let's dive in. Overview. Google AdSense is the biggest ad network out there owned by Google. It serves display ads, text ads, and even video ads across millions of websites. It's beginner-friendly and works for almost any niche. Media. Net, on the other hand, is powered by Yahoo and Bing. It focuses heavily on contextual ads, meaning ads that match your content closely. It's known for higher quality ads, especially if your audience is from English-speaking countries like the US, UK, or Canada. Both are legitimate, both can make you money, but they work very differently. 1. Approval process. AdSense is fairly easy to get into, but they've gotten stricter lately. You need original content, a clean site design, and clear navigation. If your site has thin content or violates policies, you'll get rejected. Media. Net is much tougher. They manually review your site, and they prioritize sites with high-quality English content and traffic from Tier 1 countries. If most of your visitors are from the US or UK, you have a better chance. Otherwise, expect a rejection. Winner? AdSense, easier to get approved. 2. Ad quality and relevance. AdSense uses the Google Display Network, so you get a massive range of advertisers. The ads are relevant most of the time, but sometimes you'll see random or low-quality ads, especially on mobile. Media. Net's strength is contextual targeting. Their ads are pulled from Yahoo and Bing, and they're designed to blend naturally with your content. If you're in niches like finance, tech, or business, the ads are usually premium and highly relevant. Winner? Media. Net better ad quality, especially for specific niches. 3. Earnings and RPM. This is where it gets interesting. AdSense generally has a lower RPM revenue per 1,000 impressions, but makes up for it with volume because Google has more advertisers bidding. Media. Net often delivers higher RPMs, especially if your traffic is from the US, Canada, or UK. Some publishers report 20-40% higher earnings compared to AdSense in the same niche. But if your traffic is global or from Tier 2/3 countries, AdSense will likely earn you more. Winner? It depends on your traffic. US, UK traffic, media, net wins. Global traffic, AdSense wins. 4. Ad customization and control. AdSense gives you a ton of control ad sizes, placements, auto ads, and even vignette ads. You can also block specific categories or advertisers you don't want on your site. Media. Net offers decent customization, but it's not as flexible. You can control ad units and placements, but the variety of formats is more limited compared to AdSense. Winner? AdSense, more control and flexibility. 5. Payment and minimum threshold. AdSense pays monthly via wire transfer, check, or Western Union. The minimum payout is $100, which is pretty standard. Media. Net also pays monthly, but the minimum threshold is also $100. They use Payoneer or wire transfer. The process is smooth, but some users report slightly longer processing times compared to AdSense. Winner? Tie. Both are reliable, but AdSense is slightly faster. 6. Support and resources. AdSense has extensive documentation, a help center, and community forums, but actual human support? Almost non-existent unless you're a big publisher. Media. Net offers dedicated account managers if you meet certain traffic thresholds, and their support team is more responsive. This is a big plus if you run into issues or want optimization tips. Winner? Media. Net better human support. 7. Can you use both? Yes, and many publishers do. You can run AdSense on some ad placements and media, net on others. Just make sure you follow each platform's policies. This strategy can maximize your revenue. So, which is better? Choose Google AdSense if you're just starting out, you have global traffic, you want maximum flexibility and variety in ad formats. Choose Media. Net if your traffic is mainly from the US, UK, or Canada. You're in high-paying niches like finance, tech, or business. You want better ad quality and dedicated support. Honestly, if you qualify for both, test them side by side. Track your RPM, CTR, and overall earnings for a month, then decide. Data beats opinions every time. All right, that's the breakdown. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more monetization tips. I've linked both AdSense and Media, net in the description if you want to apply. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're using or if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.